The 34 Assam Rifles have released Captain Gaidion Thangal of NSC and IM, who was arrested by 34 Assam Rifles on 21st of this month at Senapati. He has been released safe and sound at around 4:30 am today by Chief Judicial Magistrate Senapati through all the support and prompt response of public, pressure groups and other organizations. A team of police personnel posted at Sorakhunuta Chingjing, Thoubal district, arrested 2 drug peddlers with 3 soap cases of heroin powder during a random frisking and checking along Imphal More Road on the evening of 28. Later, in an immediate follow-up action, Kaching police nabbed another drug peddler who had supplied the seized contraband items. Tripura's 7-time CPI-M parliamentarian Bazubian Riang passed away last night at around 11:40 at the ILS hospital in Agartala. He was taken to the hospital at night after he complained of health problems, a media report said. Bazubian was 79 years old at the time of his demise. A Bodoland People's Front BPF party worker was shot dead from point-blank range at Bhutiajang along the Mangaldoy-Bhutiajang road under Paneri police station in Assam's Udalguri district last evening, as per reports. The deceased has been identified as Khairul Haq, aged 51, an inhabitant of Simalguri village under Paneri police station.